Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's class. Previous class we learned how to find the square root by using repeated subtraction method and also prime factorization method. Now today class we are going to learn how to find the square root of a number by using long division method or division method. So total we have three methods to find the square root of a number. One is repeated subtraction method, prime factorization method, and the last one is division method. See, in this division method, we can find the square root of a whole number and also we can find the square root of decimal numbers also. Now let us see here, we can see few whole numbers. We will try to find the square root of these whole numbers by using division method, long division method. So before going to that, let me write some perfect square numbers. So we know some perfect square numbers, we write here 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, and 10s are 100. So I wrote some perfect space. Please help us by doing this problem solving. So we'll see first one here. First one I'm going to write solution here. So what is the first number here? First one is 4096. First we'll write the given number by giving some gap in between. So 4096. We'll keep two vertical line for division. Now the first most important step is from the ones place digit, we have to mark the bar, we have to place the bar for every two digits. From the ones place, keep the bar for every pair of digits. Every pair of digits, we can keep the bar. Let me repeat once. From the ones place onwards, for every two digits, keep the bar. For every two digits, keep the bar. Now below the first bar, I can see 40. Number is 40. Now verify the perfect square. Take the perfect square which is less than, near to 40 or equal to 40. Now tell me whether which perfect square is near and equal to 40. Yes, we can see 6 into 6, 36. 36 is the perfect square which is less than 40 and also near to 40. Yes, let us take 6 6 are 36 which is perfect square near to 40 and also less than 40. 40 minus 36, do subtraction better. We will get here 4. Then after that, this we have to bring down. So below the bar, below the second bar, I can see 96. This both the digits we can bring again down. 96. Now 496 is the new dividend. Sir, what is the new divisor? So quotient 6 is there. This quotient 6 will add in the place of previous divisor. 6 plus 6, we can see here 12. Or else you can double the previous divisor also. 6 double means we get 12. If not, same number is there in place of quotient. That same number we can add here. 6 plus 6, 12. Now 12 is the new divisor. 496 is the new dividend. Now beside the 12, we will keep a box and do the same thing in quotient place also. Now in that box, we have to write the suitable digit. Write the suitable digit. Digits are nothing but from 0 to 9 are called digits. Now from 0 to 9, write any one suitable digit and make sure that in this both the boxes should write the same digit. If I suppose write here 5, here also 5. 7, 7, write any one digit from 0 to 9. Sir, how can I identify the suitable digit? Can I write each and every digit from 0 to 9? No. With the help of this last place digit, we can identify easily. If I write here 2, here also 2. 2 2s are 4. The last place digit is 4, but I can see only 6 here. So when we get the last place 6, here we can see here. When we get the last place 6, yes, 4 4 16. Last number is 6. 6 into 6 36. Last number is 6. Only the possibilities are 4 and 6, which are having 6 at the ones place when we multiply them itself. Yes. Here we can write 4 4, so that there is a possibility to get the ones place is 16 6, or else we can write 6 6. First let me check with 4 4. If I write here 4, here also 4. We write here 4. Here also 4. Now multiply beta. 124 into 4. If it is near to 496 or equal to 496, okay. If not, next possibility what? 6. Now let us multiply this both. 124 into 4. 124 into 4. 4 4 16. 4 1 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9. 4 1 is 4. Yes, I got 496. Which is exactly equal to our given dividend. 124 4 is how much beta? 496. What is the remainder? 0. Once remainder 0, we can stop the process. Now we can write therefore square root of 4096 is equal to how much? 64. Is equal to 64. Still you want to go for checking? You can multiply 64 into 64 now. Multiply both, we get the same number. 4 into 4 16. 4 is 24 plus 1 25. 6 4 is 24 24 4 to carry. 6 into 6 36. 36 plus 2 38. Yes, you get 6 9. 8 plus 2 10. 4096. Like that we can go for checking also. So this is the process we can apply to find the square root of a number by long division method. So let us go for next example. Second example will be. Second example is what? 7921. 7921. Now do the same thing even here also. Keep two vertical lines from the ones place. For every pair of digits, you can place the bar. Every pair of digits, place the bar. Now below the first bar, you can see 79. Now identify the perfect square number which is less than and equal to 79. Sorry, which is less than, near to 79 or equal to 79. Now tell me which perfect square is less than and near to 79. You can see 64. 64 is the perfect square which is less than 79 and also near to 79. If I take 81, it is more than 79. Don't take more than. Either you can take less than and near, or you can take equal to possible. So nearest to perfect square and is 64. We'll go with 8 jar. 64 is the perfect square which is near to 79. Let us simplify with subtraction. 9 minus 4 5. 7 minus 6 1. Now this we have to bring down. Below the second bar I can see 2 digits. Generally while doing division will bring one digit down. But here below the bar we can see 2 digits. Those 2 digits we can bring at a time. Now tell me what is the new divisor? This we can do double, or you can add this quotient place 8 here. Now we can see 8 plus 8, 16 we can see here. Yes. Now here we can keep one box in the place of beside of the 16, and even quotient place also can keep one box. Now in that box we have write any one digit from 0 to 9. We have write the same digit in both the boxes. Now think about suitable digit. If I write here 1, here also 1. 1 ones are 1. See, they have get the last place digit 1 better simply. See that where we can find 1. Yes, the chances are 1 and 9. So if I write here 1, here also 1. 161 ones are 161, but it is not near to 1521. So again, when we can see 1 in the unit place, we can see for 9 also. So the next possibility is only for 9. 169 into 9. Let us multiply by here. 169 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 1 8 carry. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 62. 2 6. 9 1s are 9 plus 6 15. 15 21. Yes, which gives exactly 15 21. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Now we can say therefore square root of 7921 is equal to how much? 89. Is equal to 89. So that is the way we can find square root of the numbers by using this long division method. Now let us see the last example. Example 3 I am taking here. Example 3. So what is the given number over here? Given number is 729. 2 key vertical lines from the ones place. For every pair of digits, keep the bar. So here you can see only one digit. No, you just keep the bar. Or else you can take 1 0 before here if you want 2 digits. Or else you can keep like that also for single digit also you can keep the bar. Now below the first bar you can see 7. Now take the perfect square which is less than and near to 7 or equal which perfect square is less than 7 and equal to 7? Yes, you can see 4 here. 9 is more than 2 2s are 4. Yes, 2 2s are 4. 4 is the perfect square which is less than and near to 7. 7 minus 4, 3. Now this we have to bring down. Below the bar you can see 2 digits. 29, those 2 digits right again. Now 329 is the new dividend. So what is the divisor? This we can double or quotient place 2 we can add here. 2 plus 2, 4. So beside of this you can keep one box. Even here also keep one box. Now write the same digit in both the boxes. From 0 to 9, write any one digit, same digit in both boxes. See, you can see the hint here. By multiplying this, should get the last ones place digit is 9. Tell me where we can see the ones place digit is 9. In the case of 3, we can see 3 is a 9, ones place 9. In the place of 7, 7 7 is 49, ones place 9. Yes. Now here the suitable possibilities are there for only 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Let us write here 3 first. 3 and write here as 3. Multiply 43 into 3. 43 into 3. 3 is a 9. 3 4 is a 12. Yes, we can see here now 329 exactly. 47 7 is 329. 47 7 is exactly 329. So what is the remainder now? Subtraction gets in remainder 0. So we can write now. So therefore square root of 729 is equal to how much? 27. So this is the way we can find the square root of the given whole numbers by using division method. Yes, children. Now we'll see here next model. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Just now we learned how to find the square root of whole numbers. Now here we can see some decimal numbers. Even for decimal numbers also we can find the square root by using long division method. Let's see here first one. First one is 12.25. Yes, it right here 12.25. Sorry, 12.25. See, before the decimal it is called integral part. After decimal it is called decimal part. So first we have to keep the bar in integral part. Then we keep the bar in decimal part separate. First in integral part, from the ones place, keep the bar for every 2 digits. Similarly, in the decimal part, from the beginning onwards, from here onwards, for every pair of digits, keep the bar. For every pair of digits, keep the bar. Yes. Now let's see here. In integral part, we can see 12. Same like previously. Now identify the perfect square. Take the perfect square which is less than 12 and also near to 12. So 3 3s are 9. 9 is the perfect square which is less than 12 and also near to 12. So let me go with 3 3s are 9 is the perfect square which is less than 12 and near to 12. So 12 minus 9. How much here? 3. Now this we have to bring down. Before that we have a decimal point here. This decimal point we have to put in the place of quotient. Now below the second bar I can see 2 digits. These 2 we can take again down. 325 is the new dividend. Tell me what is the new divisor now here? This 3 we can double or quotient plus 3 we can add here. 3 plus 3 6. Now beside of that 6 keep one box. Even in decimal place quotient place also keep one box. Now in that box, same like previous, should write one digit, same digit. By multiplying this, should get equal to 325 or near to 325. Here we can see the hint button. Last ones place digit is 5. So where we can see the ones place digit is 5, only the chance 5 5. That's all. So here the suitable digit will keep 5 5. Why? Because 5 5 is 25. Where we can see the ones place is 5 only. 65 into 5 will multiply now. 65 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 to carry. 5 into 6 30. 30 plus 2 32. Which gives exactly 325. 65 5 is 325. So 325 minus 325 was remainder is 0. So now we can write. So therefore square root of 12.25 is equal to how much now? 3.5. You can multiply 3.5 itself, which gives 12.25 only. Then we go for next example 2 here. What is example 2? 79.21. Sorry. 79.21. So keep keep two vertical lines. Yes, here also you can see integral part, we can see two digits. In the integral part, from the ones place, keep the bar for every two digits. In the decimal part, from here onwards, keep the bar every two digits. 79.21. Now, below the first bar, you can see 79. Take the perfect square which is less than 79, near to 79, or equal to 79 also possible. Now, which perfect square is less than and near to 79? 64. 64 is the perfect square which is less than and near to 79. So 8 8s are, we go with 8 8s are. 64 is the perfect square which is less than 79 and also near to 79. 9 minus 4 we can see 5. 7 minus 6 1. So this we have to bring down. Before that we can see decimal point. This decimal point we have to put in the place of quotient. 21 will write here now. Here we can see 8. This quotient 8 we can add in the place of previous divisor. So 8 plus 8 16. Now beside of the 16 keep a box, even quotient place also keep a box. In that boxes we have to write the same digit from 0 to 9. Write any one digit, suitable digit we have to write. Make sure that by multiplying this should get exact number or nearest number. So with the help of this you can write 1's place 1. Where can I see 1's place 1? Chance are there only for 1 and 9. If I write here 1, here also 1. 161 1s are 161. It is not near. So we'll go with 9s are only. 169 9s are. So let us see here now 169 9s will multiply 9 9s are 81. 1 8 carry. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 62. 2 6 carry. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 6 15. 15 21. Yes, exact number they are getting. So 169 9s are 15 21. So what is subtraction? 0. Now we can write therefore square root of 79.21 is equal to how much? 8.9. So like that you can find the square root of decimals also by using this long division method. Let's go for next last example. Third one, 2.56. Integral part, from the ones place keep the bar for every pair of digits. So you can see only single digit, keep the bar for single digit also. Here you can see two digits, place the bar for those two digits. Yes, now we can keep two vertical lines. Now below the first bar you can see 2. Take the perfect square which is near to 2 and less than 2. We can take 1 1s. 1 is the perfect square which is less than 2 and also near to 2. 1 1s 1. 2 minus 1 1. So this both we have to bring down. Before that we have decimal point. Put the decimal point in the quotient place and write this both the digits at a time down. Then what is the new divisor? This quotient place 1 we need to add here. 1 plus 1 2. Keep the box beside of 2 and even quotient place also. Now in that box we have to write the same digit from 0 to 9. Write any one digit. With the help of this we can write easily. So we have to get the last 1's place digit is 6. When we can see 1's place digit is 6 better, where we can see chance are there for 4 and 6. 4 and 6. If I write here 4, here also 4. Multiply 24 into 4. 24 into 4. 4 into 4 16. 6 1 carry. 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 96. It is not near to 156. So I think 4 is not suitable digit. Then what is the alternate? One more possibility for 6 also you can see possibility. 26 into 6 will take. 26 into 6. 6 into 6 36. 6 3 carry. 6 to the 12. 12 plus 3 15. Yes, I can see exact number 156. 26 into 6 156. 156 minus 156. Remainder is 0. Yes. So what we can write here? Therefore square root of 2.56 is equal to how much? 1.6. So hope you understood how to find the square root of decimal numbers by using long division method. Yes, you may get doubts. This type of doubts you may get, I think so. See here once. Suppose if you have 2.567, how can you keep the bar here? Yes, integral part before the decimal from the ones place. For every pair of digits I said keep the bar. We can see only one digit. We can keep the bar for only one digit. Or else before that we can take 1 0. We can see 2 digits, keep the bar. And decimal part, after decimal part it is called decimal part. After decimal point it is called decimal part. In the decimal part, from 1/10th place, from 10th place onwards, keep the bar for every pair of digits. Here you can see only one single digit. How can I keep the bar? After that you can keep 1 0. So in decimal point, by keeping zeros there is no change in the value. Earlier class we learned here. Suppose 5.4 is there. We can write 5.40 also. We can write 5.400 also. No changes. So you can keep the bar here. You can keep 1 0. So that you can see pair of digits. Keep the bar. So hope you understood how to find the square root of numbers, decimal numbers as well as whole numbers. So based on that, this you can try homework. First bit and third bit you can try homework. Exercise 6.4, exercise 6.4. First bit and third bit you can try homework based on the square root by division method.